friends, welcome back to Joy of Parenting. I hope guys you are taking good care of yourself, staying home and staying safe. And guys, we all know we are stuck in the lockdown situation. So in today's video, we will be talking about how we can make best use of this lockdown period for parents. So friends, the first thing I want to talk about is the family bonding time. We know that we are busy working, so in this lockdown situation we all are at home, and those parents who always had us complain that they are not able to spend quality time with their kids, this is a golden chance for all of them. You can have plenty of time with your kids, do whatever you like with your kids and just enjoy this time, because I know once this time is gone you will miss it. So just make most of it. Now, for example, I tell you that Sid was working, so he used to spend a lot of time out of the house, and he used to come late in the evening. So my son and Sid never used to get that much of time enjoying. So nowadays, since he's at home, he's able to play with him, make him enjoy all the physical activities at home. So they are having fun time together. So guys, this next point I want to talk about is weaning from breast milk. All those mothers who wanted to wean their kids from the breast milk, I would say this is the best time to do it now, because your partner will be at home, and the weaning process takes a lot of time and patience, and it includes both the partners together. So if you are making this big change in your kid's life, this is the best time to start with. And I tell you, like in my son's case, we were trying to wean him from a very long time, but he didn't wean off completely. But since Sid was at home in this lockdown situation, so we could make it work, and finally after like 15-20 days he's completely weaned off. So I'm really happy about that. So hopefully you guys are able to make this lockdown situation work for you. So friends, if you're staying with your in-laws, the weaning process becomes very easier because they are there to take care of your kid. But if you are staying alone, like in our case, my in-laws are staying in India and we are staying in Canada, so we didn't get any help in this case. So when this lockdown situation happened, I was able to wean my son from the breast milk, because Sid was there to take care of him. And I tell you guys, it takes a lot of time and patience from the parents to completely get out of this situation. So we are out, and hopefully you will be too. So friends, the next thing is that you should work on their speech and communication development according to which age group your kid is. Try to build up their vocabulary. So for example, you can do reading books with them, talking about everything you do. So basically you should try to increase the vocabulary words by reading books to them, or also you can talk to them about whatever you do at home or see, and just make sure they are familiar with everything around them. So friends, the other thing you can work on is toilet training for kids. I've already made potty training for kids video, and the link of which will be given in the description box below and somewhere on the top of the video. And I tell you, this is very hard, and I know it takes a lot of time, but you can actually start the initial process right now in this lockdown situation, because you all are at home. You are there to help your kid in every situation, so make sure you get the most of it. So friends, this is the toughest of all, to keep our kids mentally and physically active at all times at home. We are stuck in the lockdown situation, and still there are parents who are working from home, so it becomes really difficult to handle your kid and the work at the same time. But make sure that you play lots of indoor games with them, for example card games or Lego game, or you can make your kids involved in the household work, whichever you do. Just try to get them involved in everything you do, so that they don't feel left out and they are busy all the time, so you have a wonderful time together. Also friends, in order to make your kids busy, make sure that you don't overexpose your kids to the TV or mobile phones, because it's just a one-way communication and it is very harmful for their eyes also. So just keep them busy with the games, indoor games, that's it. Don't give them more of screen times, that will spoil them later on. So have a wonderful time. So friends, out of all the activities I've mentioned in this video, I'll suggest that you work on a single activity at a time, because it's more stressful for the kids to concentrate on the things. So if you are going one by one, it is easier for the kids and as well for the parents too. Also friends, I know this lockdown situation is hard for everyone, for the parents as well as for the kids. So make sure that you enjoy this time till it lasts, and I know that each activities I've told you takes a lot of patience from your side as well as from your kids side. So make sure you don't lose your cool and just bear with it and enjoy this process. So friends, hope you have liked my video, and if you do, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you soon guys. Just stay home and stay safe. Bye, take care.